Heruela tried to steal it away from Miranda. Now he attacks Ajem Mintis. Running start. Bounce pass by Recto to De La Cruz. Back to Recto. Back to De La Cruz. Nice give and go from both. Once a screen, Apasible will provide. Nawala kay Heruela yung bola. Tatakbo dito ang May Kawayan. Miranda sumugod. Off the glass and in. Plus the foul.
Cedurifa is back. He also led the team of Mindoro. Start the game. Oh, another steal.
Not a good pass. Miranda sets up Apolonio. Just like that, we are tied. Sa poste, Cedurifa. Shoots over Robby Naive. Gugulong palabas. Bola nasundot sa likod ni Caspe. Blocked by Apolonio. Ajem dribbles left. Passes it to the outside. Naive on target from the corner for three.
Good find by Miranda.
Miranda's pass broken up. Bam catch and shoot. Open look. Lista mo na yan. Apreco. To Robby Naive.
Oh, good
Off the
move.
bounce. Sent back to the friend zone by Marion Magat. Patrick Ramos, short. Apolonio, nawala sa kanya yung bola, but able to stick with it.
And so that category should be something that Mindoro can capitalize. And we can see that points in the paint.
Cut backdoor by Ramos. Argente, walang alinlangan. His free off. Cedurifa, the pitch ahead. Caspe, the catch and the finish.
Because they much need his scoring ability.
Halfway point of the second quarter.
Heruela just
12-2 run by Mindoro. Argente forcing up the free. Puts it in. Plus the foul. Argente, nagkabanggaan sila ni Caspe. Sean, one-hander, all net. Towers in for the rebound. Magat off the bounce. Tough finish against Felix Apreco. Apreco, naghanap ng papasahan na kay Argente. Pumira sa tres. Yes!
talk about kumpiyansa kung kumpiyansa.
Saka parang na-master na rin yan eh. Heruela sumagot din sa kabila with a free of his own.
That's a good answer.
Ang natitira dito sa ating second period.
Marion Magat has been wanting this.
Wala. Two mid-tier teams going at it in this game. Mindoro and May Kawayan naagaw ang bola. 3-on-1 fast break. De La Virgen leaning in and hits the jumper. Pass to Miranda. The heave from half court. Almost. Good attempt. And the first half comes to a close.